Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm your host Muhammad Munib Ali. Today the topic of discussion is what is the difference between fertigation and foliar fertilizer spray regarding horticulture. What is fertigation? Fertigation means when you put the fertilizer into the water and make a solution and you will give it directly to the plant basin. Plant ultimately will take all the nutrients to make its products for root growth, stem growth and canopy growth. Second, foliar fertilizer spray, in which you will mix fertilizer into the water and make a solution. Then you will put this solution into the small tank, and with sprayer gun or sprayer machine you will put all the shower on the canopy. What it will do, it will wash out all the dust, it will clean the plant canopy, it will strengthen the leaf skin, and it will eliminate the diseases including fungus. So what is the difference between these? I will demonstrate you, I will show you what is the actual. Let's move. Okay, well, I want to give you the demonstration of fertigation. I have water, I have fertilizer. I am mixing the fertilizer into the water and making a solution. Now the solution is given to the plant basin. This is called fertigation. The application of fertilizer at the same time with irrigation. This is called fertigation, and we can give it by automatic irrigation, by bowser, by tanker or by canal irrigation. But nowadays during modern era we are using automatic irrigation for fertigation, and within no time plant will take up all the nutrients through xylem and we will save our time. Well, now we have a demonstration regarding foliar spray. Okay, this is the machine. The fertilizer solution we have already put in it. Now start. You can see on the canopy, leaf canopy, all the nutrients would be absorbed by the stomata and leaf epidermis, and in this the nutrients will act with the best results and canopy would be green. So this is the demonstration of foliar spray. This showering is called foliar spray. Well, I have explained the fertigation and foliar spray in sense of definition, and I have elaborated and demonstrated the procedure what I have. The thing is that foliar spray and fertigation both are different, but both are very useful and very beneficial for the plant growth. In spite of this, rather than this, we will give the solid fertilizer. This is the main time saving procedure in which nutrients go inside the plant and give the lush color. In natural sense, if I want to give the example of fertigation and foliar spray, flood is the natural example of fertigation, and rainwater, that is the natural example of foliar spray. In rainwater you will see it comes through the environment, it dissolves most of the nitrogen in it and it showers on the foliage. After that the foliage becomes lush green color and dust free, disease free. So don't mix these topics, these are different, and utilize this maximum. Next I'll come with the new topic for horticulture. Till then, stay safe and keep watching. Assalamu alaikum.